harbor. Checking it out. It's very, very nice. It's a great harbor. It's got a cafe, restaurant, boat. Really nice. Of course, lots of people having fun with the fish. There's the jet skis you can rent, the boats. A lot of cool boats to rent. It's a nice place to come. Nice, really nice. This time of the year is great. Really nice. And here are all the jet skis you can rent. Starting about 95 bucks an hour, you can get it for a day for like 300. Half a day for 250. Check it out. And you can rent pontoon boats, everything. Anyway, when you have a chance, make a shot. Come out to Vegas and have a good time.